All right, so the trailer's basically sat here all night, right where I dropped it. They took the piece off of here that was sitting on some dunnage. So these two pieces here, they're basically like a counterweight box. And here's what they failed to take off yesterday. 4 of these, they're different sizes, but you know, they're whatnot. But you can see clearly D-ring here. There's another one up here behind this wooden block. There's 3 D-rings on top of this one and forklift holes there. Now, where this wooden block is, there was supposed to be a like a metal bracket that bolted these 2 units together. Now apparently the same thing with this one. Now 2 D-rings on the bottom here, 3 D-rings on top, you know, and they come as a set, and they're bolted together, whatnot. But apparently they cannot use the forklift sockets up there or the D-rings. Apparently that's some kind of an issue with the way they you know, with the vehicles they have here to do the unloading. It's okay to lift both of these as one unit, weighing twice as much as the, you know, each individual one, but apparently they couldn't do that, which, you know, is it's baffling to me. Okay, so you're going to lift something that weighs twice as much without an issue, but something that weighs half as much, you have some kind of mental breakdown that prevents you from doing your job. Well, you know, so now we sit here and we wait for them to actually, you know, do what they're supposed to do, and we basically get to sit here and waste more time as we have done with this entire load. Okay, so like I said before, there was a small counterweight here, and these are the legs that we're picking up. So instead of using the equipment they had, which was more than adequate to do this job, they bring in a crane. A mobile crane. This forklift right here, this Hyundai 160 7B 7A, whatever, 160D 7A, was more than capable of lifting all this. But for some reason they can't seem to do the job, so they got to call in a mobile crane, an HTC 150. I don't get it. I just don't get it. But you know, that's their choice, so I get to sit around and wait. Now it's only been 24 hours. You know, it should not have taken that long to lift these pieces off the truck, but because some of their own employees did something wrong, everybody else has got to suffer for it. Oh well, that's the way it usually goes, right? As soon as this rock tin guy gets out the way, we're gonna stop right here, and I'm going to, secure the truck. I got a couple pieces of dunnage to tie down, and I got some legs to raise, and we're gonna